The theories of Planet X Nibiru, NASA finally said it, according to claims. The presence of an unknown and invisible planet, the so-called Planet X or Planet 9, Nibiru, Nemesis, Wormwood, has been suggested from time to time as an explanation for various anomalies that have been observed on the outskirts of our solar system. However, its existence has never been proven, and this possibility has generally been rejected by experts. Who else? The Space Agency. The fact that there are many inexplicable to our mathematicians irregularities in the orbits of our outer planets, theories that a hitherto unknown planet is hiding in the outskirts of the solar system, seems to be definitely disproved by a NASA survey that examined the entire sky, they said. The hypothesis of the so-called Planet X Nibiru dates back to the beginning of the 20th century, when the American astronomer Percival Lowell proposed the existence of such a body in order to explain some inexplicable features of the orbit of the planet Uranus. When Pluto was discovered in 1930, many astronomers were quick to celebrate the discovery of the famous Planet X, but the celebrations were premature as Pluto was eventually found not to be massive enough to explain the orbital anomalies of the outer planets. Today, most astronomers do not believe in the idea of an unknown planet in the solar system, although Lowell's case remains theoretically open. The latest study, which is published in the Astrophysical Journal, was based on data from NASA's WISE infrared space telescope, and which scanned the entire sky twice, with an interval of 6 months between scans. The researchers examined the 750 million objects observed by the telescope, stars, galaxies, asteroids, etc., and looked for objects that had moved from the first scan to the second, a sign that they are relatively close to Earth. The study concludes that there is no object the size of Saturn or larger within 100,000 AU. 1 AU is the distance from the Sun to the Earth, which is about 93 million miles. Pluto is about 40 AU from the Sun. The researchers were able also to rule out a second similar theory, according to which the Sun has a companion star that is far away and somehow remains unknown to this day. So how would they know if they haven't found it yet? In other words, a binary system. Most stars are binary systems. Now, the theory, which now has few supporters, was proposed to explain the supposed periodicity of the bombardment of Earth by asteroids. The companion star is thought to periodically approach the Sun and disrupt the orbits of asteroids, sending some towards our Earth. No such companion star or brown dwarf companion appeared in the WISE data. The outer solar system likely does not contain a gas giant planet or a small companion star, the study concluded, according to lead author Kevin Luhman of Pennsylvania State University. It's a compelling conclusion given that the WISE mission has indeed discovered hitherto unknown ones located at relatively short distances. In a second study based on WISE data, a different research team announced the discovery of 3,525 stars and brown dwarfs located up to 500 light years from our Earth. We don't know the neighborhood of the Sun as well as one might think, comments Ned Wright, principal investigator of the WISE mission after completing its primary mission in 2011. The infrared telescope was put on standby. In 2013, it was awakened and renamed NEOWISE in order to help NASA detect potentially dangerous asteroids. Now, the comment says here, I don't know if there is a planet, but I know that the experts in NASA get an award for perhaps not bringing the facts out, playing theater. So are they hiding things from us? We don't know. There are, of course, a lot of discoveries made lately that were made by amateur astronomers. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.